up to something new. It's Felix the cat and he's here for you. It's Felix the cat and he's here for you.
With your mask, Poindexter.
Okay, Mr. Felix. Do you think it resembles me?
A perfect likeness, Poinsy.
Thanks, Mr. Felix. Here, Mr. Felix. Try it on for size.
How do I look?
Handsome, Mr. Felix.
The doorbell. I'll get it.
That does it. Hello, Master Cylinder.
Hello, Rock. Did you get Poindexter?
Yes, Master. I got him right here in a sack. Now, about my $100,000 fee.
Later, Rock. Now, at 1900...
Oh? You want me to put him where? Into the nose cone of the Mars-bound rocket? The Big Dipper?
Right. Takes off at 1900 sharp.
Okay. I'll be there. In the nose cone of a guided missile. Should be a nice trip. Rocket control.
Comes Poindexter in the nose cone now. With his super rocket fuel to power my rocket ships, I'll conquer the Earth. Ah, Poindexter, I finally got you.
Huh, that's what you think.
Felix, you.
Yes, me. What's the idea of dragging me all the way to Mars?
This is incredible. How did you get into that bag?
As if you didn't know, you catnapper. And now I'm going back to Earth.
Going back to Earth? How?
How? Hey!
Hello, Rock Bottom. This is the Master Cylinder on Mars. Are you there?
Speaking.
Listen, you bumbling fool. What's the idea of sending Felix up here to Mars?
Felix? But, Master, I personally put Poindexter into the nose of that rocket.
Well, I got Felix with a Poindexter mask.
A mask? Why, that sneaky little...
Stop your blabbering and put the real Poindexter in the next rocket.
Yes, Master.
The rocket leaves at 2300. And make sure Poindexter is on it.
The Master Cylinder wants to get his claws on Poindexter's super rocket fuel formula, so he hired Rock Bottom to bring him to Mars. Poor Poinsy. He hasn't a chance.
I wonder what's keeping Mr. Felix. He went to answer the doorbell. Oh, there it is again.
One thing is for sure. This time, it's not Felix.
Gee, I wish I could get out of this Martian pillbox. Huh? Did I hear you say Martian? Martin the Martian. Am I glad to see you? Likewise, Felix. Lucky I had my fourth dimensional space capsule handy. I'm going to get you out of here. Thanks, Martin, but I'm worried about Poindexter. Oh, yes. He's supposed to be on the next rocket from Earth. We've got to work fast. Quick, into the space capsule. Next stop, the launching pad.
Push the button. Felix, you!
Yes, me. You criminal.
Why, you? Oh!
There he goes. All the way to Mars.
Hey, let me out!
Poindexter! Sorry, Poinsy. Gee, what a nice day for a picnic.
Yes, Mr. Felix. Look, a perfect place to have our lunch.
An apple tree. Swell. This is the life, huh, Poinsy?
Yeah, Mr. Felix. Great.
Hey, what's all that stuff bulging in your pockets? Rocks?
These are my toys.
Such as what?
My midget Geiger counter.
Midget Geiger counter?
Yes, and my little spectrum analyzer. And my handy-dandy isotope integrator. And...
Okay. Don't overdo it.
Sounds, Wizard. We got 2 of them this time.
Huh? Where am I? And who are you?
They call me the Wizard.
I know I was just dreaming all this.
This is no dream. I pull you out of the future with my magic apples.
Magic apples?
I say.
Ah, the other specimen.
Yeah, but this one looks smart.
A capacious cranium. Genius type. Young man, I hereby appoint you an assistant wizard. What is your name?
Poindexter. And that's Mr. Felix.
Felix? An odd name.
Yeah, sounds like the name of a cat.
If you jokers are finished, we'll be on our way. Come on, Poindexter.
Coming, Mr. Felix. My word, a castle. A medieval castle. Amazing.
Huh? Either I'm dreaming or we're in Hollywood.
Why, you?
Poindexter, when a couple of apples knocked us silly. Then bingo! We're back in the Middle Ages with a crazy old wizard holding Poindexter prisoner up in that tower.
Well, Poindexter, this is my laboratory. It has all the latest scientific equipment. Everything an alchemist needs to make gold.
Make gold?
Yes, it is your first assignment.
But, Mr. Wizard, transmutation of the elements is impossible with such primitive equipment.
Quit stalling, or else. Come, Sirach, let's find Felix. But I shall return.
Mr. Felix!
Let's scram out of here, quick!
But how, Mr. Felix? The door is locked.
So we go through the window.
Oop!
Oh, fine. He's fainted. Footsteps. They're coming back. Wake up, Poinsy! Uh-oh. What's that in his pocket? A funny-looking gadget. Looks like a gun. Maybe I can scare those...
Felix, what are you doing here?
Yeah, you should be out in the moat, waterlogged.
Stand back, or I'll shoot.
Grab him, Sirach.
Okay, you asked for it.
Huh?
Huh?
Hey, wizard, you look like a bag of bones.
You don't look so good yourself. What have you been eating lately? Wow! Let me out of here!
Wow! Me too!
Gee!
You did it, Mr. Felix. Nice work.
Yeah, what is this thing?
It is my pocket X-ray machine, Mr. Felix. I knew it would come in handy.
That it did. I'm here. This is where the gold is. All I have to do is find it. Huh? Gold! It's rock bottom. I'd better hide this.
Gold! I found gold! It's the professor. I don't trust him.
Gold! Rock bottom, I don't trust him. Here's a good place to hide it.
Another nugget.
That's mine.
Mine.
That's mine.
Stop! It's our gold, and there's only one nugget. So let's divide it 3 ways. Oh, there's printing on it.
This is a genuine imitation gold nugget.
Like 1 bowl of soup.
At the Gold Prospectors Cafe. Well, anyway, the soup is good. We're going to my favorite fishing hole today. Uh-oh. Now what? Okay, Vavoom. Clear the road. Vavoom! That's our Vavoom. Now, how are we going to cross that? Thanks, Vavoom. You sure speak your mind. There it is, the Rock Dam, the oldest in the country. It keeps that town dry. Hold on, Vavoom. Now we'll go down to my fishing hole. Here we are. Here's the hole. I'll fish here, and you try there. That lollipop will only catch you a sucker. Hey, a leak. This crack could spread. Vavoom, run and warn the town about the leak. Hurry! Gee, this crack is getting worse.
What's wrong, Sonny? Oh, an earthquake!
Oh, please, Vavoom, hurry! Hurry! I'm going to write to my congressman about this. No, I won't write him. I'll wire him.
What are you trying to do? What's the matter with you? You crazy? Speak up! Oh! Gag him, quick!
What'll I do?
What a voice! Could wreck the whole town.
Keep him tied up.
They better put him in jail.
What a fishing trip! The dam springs a leak, and I plug it while Vavoom goes for help. I wish he'd hurry.
That'll keep you from wrecking this town with your big mouth. That little guy is dangerous. No more. He's gagged and in jail. Stop him! Get him! Hey,
Come on, get that guy. Come on, get him. Hurry up. Where'd he go? Hey, look! I got him! He's in orbit! There he goes! Get him!
Uh-oh, another big crack.